To install Visual Studio from the Huntington County Community Schools FileWave, you'll go down to the System tray, click that, and you'll see that little red FileWave symbol. We'll click on that, and there's a bunch of programs available in the kiosk. We can narrow it down by selecting Computer Science Apps over on the left-hand side, and there's Visual Studio 2019, which is what we need. It may take a little while to download this. It depends on how big the install is that Huntington County Community Schools set up. So click Install. You'll see that the status is that it's queued for installation. It'll start downloading. Eventually, we'll get a progress bar that will move forward at some points, and it may actually go back and look like it's starting all over again at some points as it loads different parts of Visual Studio 2019. I have edited this for time. And eventually, you'll see that the status is now that it's installing, and then a shortcut will appear on the desktop, Visual Studio 2019 with that kind of purple infinity symbol. And that means the download is all complete. We're ready for the next step, which is to open Visual Studio 2019 and prepare it for our first use.